I turned on the blending between inputs, still with the Gieger as the inspiration, and it turns out, like, you see, the picture itself is shitty, but the result it gives is just let's try to draw something. Over my image. I'll change it to be closer to the drawing than to the image below. Yeah. Red adds blue. Yellow adds green now. It still understands that it is the face of mine, hence no. So with the picture and with the drawing, you seems you can compose things. So it definitely sees the line I have drawn here. What is my, can I imagine, what if I want the light to be here in the corner? Yeah, and the beam, that's what I wanted. 2 beams of light. What if I change the angle of the mirror barrel? Perfect. Perfect. Yes, there are 2 of us. Okay, the closer it gets to the image, there is the light back. Here is another option, because we mix the random noise. I have to change it back, I think, to something more bright. Right. And give it more contrast. No, I think I've changed the source, but still there is light. And with the noise, you control the things to be regenerated, I think you could say that. So yeah, enough. Wow. I love it. Bye.